Okay, so this is a quick review on
the Mountain House Adventure Rice and Chicken freeze-dried.
boom. Backpacker meal.
Yeah.
Backpacker gourmet.
Gourmet.
Just gonna
Good
make
as it gets out here.
This is like a snack food right here.
Yeah, it is.
So we're actually just gonna share it, but we're up here at Ice Lake of the Eagle Caps in Oregon, and we're hungry. We've been here for what, like an hour?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. And it's like 3:30 in the afternoon. It's not quite dinner time, but we don't want to fill too much up. So we got some water boiling.
Yep.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. To be continued.
We got a boil?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. So really quick instructions. Just have to add 1 1/3 cup of boiling water
Hopefully that's what we did.
and remove the oxygen thing, which we always have a.
No, you always forget. That's why I'm doing it.
You know.
Does that seem like a lot of water?
1 1/3 cup, right?
Hopefully. Kind of guesstimated.
Probably doubled it, huh?
Oh shit. I hope not.
Looks pretty soupy.
That's rice. I'll bulk up. Maybe 4 ounces was 2 cups. Okay. Seal it. Let it sit for 5 minutes.
That's it?
Yep.
Cool. Okay, 5-minute mark.
5-minute mark.
Stirring.
Stirring. It looks pretty good. It's not super soupy. It's a good thing I didn't put all the water in there. I went a little overboard, but it's gonna be good.
I will admit, like when they tell you like 1 1/3 cup, you know, kind of when like you're backpacking, like it's easy to measure a cup.
Yeah.
You know, 2 cups, kind of with like.
They should either just add more rice to round it up to 1 1/2, or ideally not take it away and round it down to 1.
Heck yeah.
It's not my fault. Honestly, I think I'm gonna write an online complaint to Mountain House.
Are you? Yeah.
Yeah. It makes it too hard. All I want to do is go out, camp, have the simple life, and not have to think about the math that I didn't learn in high school. Okay.
Did you actually learn that in high school?
Milliliters? Yeah. Did you not?
No.
Metric system, bro.
I'm kind of dumb. She's kidding, by the way.
Well, what?
Riding in the Mountain House.
No, I'm not.
I'm hungry. Okay, so how much more time went by?
4 minutes.
And consistency?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So I don't know what you were freaking out about.
I thought you put too much in it.
Oh, it's so good. It's
like
hot.
you wouldn't think
It's
rice.
so good.
You wouldn't think rice and chicken in the back. Like, should I say the back country?
In the back.
It's backwoods. You know, it tastes very good, but that's good stuff. I need to have a.
Careful, it's very hot.
I need to have a bite too.
So blow on your food, babe.
Gross.
You know you're a food blower anyways.
I know.
People don't need to know that.
Whatever. Okay. That was really
It's
good.
pretty good.
That really
right?
hit, it just hits the spot.
It does.
Okay.
It's like seasoned perfectly.
So before we drag this video out any longer, scale of 1 to 10, ease of like making it, like prep work.
Prep work, good. Make sure you know how to measure out 1 1/3 because that was the hardest part. Take out the oxygen thing.
Easy. Scale of 1 to 10.
A 1. Wait.
No.
As in like 1 is hard or 10 is hard?
10. 1 is like hard, 10 is easy.
Oh,
like
then easy 10.
yeah.
Super easy.
Okay. Taste.
I mean, right now it's a solid 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. 19 out of 20. 9.5 out of 10 altogether. You average that two together. Oh, this is a stupid review, but we love it. You should try it too. And yeah, just a
You want
good
to bite?
snack. Yes, please. So with that, end the video with my bite and my girlfriend feeding me.
It's hot.
You didn't blow on it for me.
Oh, sorry.
Good stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
If you guys like this video,
Oh God.
nah,
None of
I'm
you
gonna do
like
it.
this video.
I know.
What would be good in this is pineapple.
That probably would be good. Kind of like a sweet and sour chicken
Yeah.
type thing. But
That'd be good.
yeah, check out Mountain House Rice and Chicken if you would like to.
It's a good steak.
Highly recommend it. It's just easy and basic. It's
Filling.
a good snack. Yeah, it's definitely filling. So, what are the macros on it, by the way? 500 per container. 15 grams of protein per container.
Not super great, but
Yeah. So,
carbs are what you're looking for.
all right, tune out. Thanks for everyone for watching the video. See ya on the next one.
Bye.